There was a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, where the importance of a good night's sleep was celebrated. In this community lived an elderly man named Mr. Peters, who was known for his wisdom and clear mind even at the ripe age of 80. Mr. Peters had always maintained a consistent sleep schedule, something he often spoke about during the village assembly meetings. He would rise promptly at 6 a.m. every morning, without the aid of an alarm clock, and retire to bed by 10 p.m. His steadfast routine piqued the curiosity of young Timothy, a boy who struggled with restlessness and erratic sleep habits. Timothy approached Mr. Peters one afternoon, seeking advice. "Mr. Peters, how do you manage to wake up so effortlessly and stay so lively throughout the day?" he asked with genuine interest. Mr. Peters smiled, his eyes twinkling with the wisdom of years. My dear Timothy, the secret lies in understanding the body's natural rhythm. Consistency is key," he said, gesturing for Timothy to sit next to him on the park bench. "When you maintain a consistent sleep schedule," Mr. Peters explained, "your body aligns itself with its internal clock called the circadian rhythm. This regulates not only when you wake and sleep, but impacts your overall health." Timothy listened intently as Mr. Peters continued. "By keeping the same sleep and wake times, even on weekends, you train your body to follow a natural routine. It reduces stress, improves mood, and increases cognitive function." Inspired by the old man's words, Timothy decided to try adopting a similar schedule. The first few days were challenging, for his body protested the shift. Yet as weeks turned into months, Timothy found an unexpected benefit. Not only did he wake refreshed, but he also noticed he was more alert in class and could focus on his studies better. His friends began to see the change too, and often asked him the secret behind his newfound energy. Timothy would simply smile and echo the words of Mr. Peters: "Consistency is key." The village buzzed with conversations about the power of a good sleep routine as more of its inhabitants began following Mr. Peters' advice. Late-night vigils turned into quiet evenings as the community embraced the gift of restful nights, proving that even small changes in habits can lead to substantial improvements in life.